Select a layer and go to the Deform filter in Affinity Photo. Add some pins and distort that layer. All kinds of amazing artwork can be created. Find out how to create a design such as this in Affinity Photo in under a few minutes. Select a layer in Affinity Photo, go to the Layers panel and click Effects down the bottom. Click there and then go here. Loads of different options here, but there's also an option here, Fill Opacity. Put it down to 0 and the thing's completely gone, it's vanished. But still, you can go here. Go to Outer Shadow, click there, and you can see now you've got this faint shadow. If you change the radius setting, the offset, as well as the intensity, you can see now you've got this lovely effect, obviously following the design. Here's the original, here's the actual outline there and the shadow. Also, you can click here, the Offset tool, and you can drag this around, so you can reposition it there or there. Change the colour, but you can also use some of the other ones as well. Also, click here, little plus, you can add another shadow. So again, Offset tool, click that, and you can reposition that shadow to create another shadow effect. Also, click colour, change the colour. So you've got a lovely colourful design there, maybe green. But you can also use Bevel Emboss, so click there, and you can see then you get this lovely bevel effect using Pillow. Also, 3D, so click there and change the radius, and you can see as you do that, that changes as well. Another option, Gradient Overlay. Just click there and change the scale, change the angle, and so on. You can see you can create a variety of different designs using this approach, using Fill Opacity set to 0. Once you're happy, click Close. You can then move it around. You can reposition it. You can see obviously the underlying image. Obviously you've got the shadows here, but you can also hold down the Alt Option key on your keyboard and drag and duplicate it to create a weird and wonderful unusual design such as that. Also what you can do is you can apply filters. So with that selected, you can go to Filters and Distort, maybe Deform. Select that. Add some pins and then distort the design, and the shadows will be distorted as well as, of course, the effect here as well. And click Apply. And again, you can always hold down the Alt Option key and duplicate that design to create multiple copies of that.